Havana, Cuba is a unique metropolis with a violent political history. The Cuban Revolution and the fall of the Soviet Union have defined the political, economic, and social structures of this island nation and its capital since the mid-20th century. Cuba's geographic and political isolation have posed critical problems to the supply of food, water, and goods within Havana, now home to some 2.5 million. The local population and the government have responded to food shortages by increasing local agricultural production. These urban greening initiatives have had numerous positive effects on the local population and the environment. Thousands of new urban farms and the expansion of public parks and gardens within the city have improved natural urban resilience and fostered biophilia across Havana. With the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991 and the continued U.S. embargo, Cuba's economy entered free fall. Flows of imports and exports sharply declined, and many of the city's vital metabolisms were threatened. Circulations of food, fuel, and medical supplies were in critical shortage, and the local population endured much hardship. In this nightmare political and economic climate, known as the Special Period, Havana had no choice but to try its hand at self-sufficiency. In the 1990s, food shortages within Havana were combated with government-funded urban agriculture programs designed to supplement food circulation with locally grown organic produce. These programs, headed by the newly formed Urban Agriculture Department, changed land use and facilitated widespread, small-scale crop cultivation across the city. The integration of farming into built-up urban society has converted unused developed land within Havana into tracts of urban nature committed to sustainable food production. This land use change helps to maximize the region's natural resources and has fundamentally changed the flows of resources within the city. Today, 30% of Havana's land cover is dedicated to sustainable urban agriculture. In addition to facilitating widespread urban agriculture, many government resources have also been invested into public parks and gardens to accentuate the city's aesthetic beauty. Gardens like the Jardín Botánico Nacional, or National Botanical Garden, are managed by the National Park Service and brighten the city with foreign and endemic flora. While residents of Havana remember this special period with sorrow and disdain, urban ecologists argue there's a silver lining to the experience. If Havana can continue to foster urban agriculture and manage public parks and gardens, the city could become a global leader in terms of urban resilience and on its way towards a more sustainable urban society.